Have you ever heard the sound of nails scratching a blackboard, cutlery scraping against glass, or foam boxes rubbing together? I won't play those actual sounds here. Just the thought of them can make your skin crawl. So why do we feel uncomfortable when we hear these sounds? To understand this issue, let's first learn about hertz. Sound, as a wave, has a frequency, which is measured in hertz. The frequency refers to how many times an object vibrates per second. The range of audible sounds is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Sounds below 20 Hz are called infrasound, while those above 20,000 Hz are known as ultrasound. Normal humans cannot hear infrasound and ultrasound. So, do these unpleasant sounds have high frequencies that make us uncomfortable? To test this hypothesis, scientists conducted experiments. They recorded various unpleasant sounds and filtered different frequencies for volunteers to listen to. The results showed that when high-frequency components were filtered out, volunteers still found the sounds unbearable. However, they were able to tolerate the sounds after filtering out the low-frequency components. Professor Michel Eller from the German Michael Media University also confirmed through experiments that the frequencies causing discomfort are neither the lowest nor the highest, but rather fall between 2000 Hz and 4000 Hz, where we are most sensitive. Frequencies in this range undoubtedly contain unpleasant sounds. Additionally, scientists discovered that the shape of the human ear canal, shaped by long evolution, amplifies sounds that are important for communication and survival. Upon hearing these unpleasant sounds, the human auditory cortex interacts with the brainstem. Scientists believe this might be a kind of distress signal. They also drew analogies between some unpleasant sounds and natural sounds, finding that these unpleasant sounds are quite similar to warning signals in Japanese environments. Based on this, scientists boldly speculate that feeling discomfort in response to these sounds may be an evolutionary instinct, possibly similar to warning calls of peers in early evolution or sounds from nature in its early phases. Some also suggest that these sounds are akin to the noise made when beasts gnawing on bones. Early humans often faced threats from predators, and the sound of a predator tearing at bones is spine-chilling. Upon hearing such frequencies, peers would realize that someone had been eaten and should run away. Thus, feeling discomfort and wanting to escape upon hearing similar frequencies can help humans avoid dangers and increase survival rates, becoming an instinctive response. Furthermore, the sound of a baby crying can also drive us crazy, again due to its frequency falling within the discomfort range. But what malicious intent can little babies have? They are just hungry or need a diaper change. If they can just attract adults' attention, their problems can be solved. So, this is also beneficial for human survival rates. Alright, that wraps up this episode. If you like my videos, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.